Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to mark a chat as unread on Messenger on PC with the new update. Follow these simple steps to keep your chats organized and make sure you don't forget to respond to any important messages. First, open your Messenger account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chat that you want to mark as unread. This could be a chat with a friend, a group chat, or even a conversation with a business contact. Once you've located the chat, hover over it with your cursor. You'll see 3 dots appear on the right side of the chat. Click on these 3 dots to access a drop-down menu of options. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Mark as Unread. Click on this option to change the status of the chat from read to unread. This will help you keep track of chats that you still need to respond to or follow up on. And that's it. You've successfully marked a chat as unread on Messenger on PC with the new update. Remember to use this feature to stay on top of your conversations and ensure that you never miss an important message again. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for using Messenger on your PC. Stay tuned for our next video.